Look at this beautiful quilt block. I call this half rectangle diamonds. See that? I really love this. Of course, I love the colors too. We make this completely out of half rectangles, which, as you know, are different from half square triangles. We did a video on this one, how to do the half rectangle. But I want to touch on something briefly before we talk about finishing this one. So let me set him aside. A half rectangle is when you take two pieces of fabric and you lay them right sides together, and then you draw a diagonal line across it, just like a half square triangle, right? You know, where we would stitch a 1/4 inch on either side of that line. But to make a rectangle, it's a little different. You can see my diagonal line that I drew here. Take this piece and rotate it. So our diagonal line goes across the fabric the other direction. It looks completely different, I understand that, but that's how we get our rectangles. What's important about this project is you need to be aware that you need to create two kinds of half rectangles, right? One with your angle going this way, and the other with your angle going this way. It does matter. You can't just do all of them in the same direction. You're only going to get one type of half rectangle. That doesn't create diamonds. That doesn't create a lot of the cool shapes. So remember that when you are drawing your diagonal line across the one fabric, do half of them in this direction, do the other half in the other direction. And then when you lay them across here, when you match your fabrics, then that's when you're going to stitch. Like I have done that with this already. I have laid this out. I have stitched a 1/4 inch on either side, right? And then this is where I would cut on the drawn line, right? As though we were doing a half square triangle, but this is just a half rectangle. So when I do that, this is how the half rectangle is made. Okay, you see that? And I'm going to open this up. You see that? See? They're beautiful. They're great. Make sure you do them both ways, though, because you need both sets of these in order for this project to work. And what I've done is I have done both sets here for you to see. If they were all this, if they were all this one here, you can't do much with that. You can do this with it. You can do that with it. You can do this with it. It doesn't really give you a lot of flexibility. But when you do opposites, that's when you can make a mirror image, and that's when you can actually make a diamond shape. So that's how we do it. So you make your diamond shape like this, stitch each row together, you know, and then fold them over and stitch the long one. That is one diamond, folks. It's very simple to do. And the best part about it is it makes a beautiful result. Half rectangle diamond, that's what I'm calling this one. I hope you will give it a try. I think it's beautiful. I really do love this. And happy sewing.